Children, in the last video, we learned about summer season. Today, we will learn rainy season. Rainy season is from the month of June to September. June, July, August, and September. It rains very heavily in this month. When it rains heavily, we get water to drink, and there is water flooded everywhere. You get holiday from school. You also like to make paper boats and sell them in the water. Children, in rainy season, raincoat, and we carry an umbrella to protect ourselves from getting wet from the rain. We also wear rainy shoes. In the rainy season, we like to drink hot coffee, hot tea, hot soup. We also like to eat hot bhajiyas, pakoras. In the summer season, we like to eat lot of cold things and drink lot of cold juices and water. But in rainy season, we drink hot tea, hot coffee. Now children, whenever you go out, you have to carry a raincoat, umbrella with you. You have not to get wet in the rain. I will repeat again, children. Rainy season is from the month of June to September. June, July, August and September. It rains very heavily in these months. Water is flooded everywhere. When water is flooded, you get a holiday from school. Everything is closed. You like to make boats and play in the rain. When you go out, you have to carry an umbrella or an raincoat to protect yourself from getting wet in the rain. You also like to eat and drink hot tea, coffee, soup, pakoras, bhajiyas. So rainy season is cool and pleasant. In the rainy season, there is greenery everywhere. The plants look fresh and there is greenery. Rainy season मतलब बारिश का मौसम. बारिश जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर महीने में होती है. तभी बहुत सारा बारिश गिरता है तो पानी सब यहाँ भर जाते हैं. तभी हमको स्कूल से छुट्टी मिलती है ना बच्चों लोग. बट जब तुम लोग बाहर निकलते हो तो हमेशा छाता और रेनकोट पहन के ही निकलना. बारिश में गीला नहीं होने का है. और हमें बारिश में मौसम में गरम गरम कॉफ़ी, चाय और सूप पीने के लिए अच्छा लगता है. गरम गरम पकोड़े, भजिया खाने के लिए अच्छा लगता है बारिश के मौसम में. बारिश का मौसम सुहाना रहता है, ठंडा, और सब यहाँ हरियाली रहती है. We learn about winter season. You know children, winter season starts when? Winter season starts from the month of October, November, December and January. So winter season is of 4 months from October to January. In this season the climate is nice and cool. You feel nice. ठंडी लगती है ना. विंटर सीजन मतलब सर्दी का मौसम. सर्दी में हमें ठंडी लगती है ना. Then what we wear in cold season to protect ourselves from the cold? We wear sweater. We wear sweater. Warm woolen clothes. Woolen clothes to protect, to keep ourselves warm. We wear monkey cap, muffler, shawl to keep us warm. We wear this warm clothes to keep us warm in the cold season. We also burn bonfire to keep us warm. So children, we in winter season we wear warm clothes, woolen clothes to protect us from the cold. And what we eat? We like to drink lot of hot tea, coffee, soups, pakoras, nice hot things we like to eat in cold season. And cold season is very cool and pleasant. The climate is nice and cool. You also go for picnic in cold season, in winter season. So winter season is cool and pleasant. Okay, children. Children, I'll repeat again. Winter season is from the month of October to January, and it is a cold season. In winter season, we wear warm clothes to keep us warm. We eat hot pakoras, hot food, bhajiyas. We also like to drink hot soups, tea and coffee. So winter season is cool and pleasant. Now children, which season do you like? Okay, I like winter season children. विंटर सीजन मतलब सर्दी का मौसम. इस मौसम में हमें ठंड लगती है तो हम लोग वुलन के कपड़े डालते हैं, जैसे शॉल, स्वेटर, ये मंकी कैप, स्वेटर, ठंड से बचने के लिए. और हमें ठंडी के मौसम में गरम गरम चाय, कॉफ़ी, सूप पीना अच्छा लगता है ना. हमें गरम गरम पकोड़े भी खाना अच्छा लगता है. तो सर्दी के मौसम में ठंडी लगती है और सर्दी का मौसम अक्टूबर से जनवरी तक. चिल्ड्रन, फ्रॉम योर बुक क्रिएटिव बिगनिंग, मी एंड माई एनवायरमेंट, पेज नंबर 17, वर्कशीट नंबर 13, टॉपिक सीजन्स. Clothes we wear for each season. Match the things to the correct season. So now children, here they have shown 3 seasons. Summer season, monsoon and winter. गर्मी का मौसम, बारिश और सर्दी का मौसम. Now with the season they have given clothes over here. So what all clothes you wear in that season? Now in summer season, do you wear sweater? No. You wear muffler? No. Then you wear goggles? Yes, we wear goggles to protect ourselves. So you have to match. Do you wear raincoat in summer season? No. You carry an umbrella? No. You wear light cotton clothes in summer season. So you have to match. Now, monsoons. In monsoon, what you carry? You carry an umbrella, you wear a raincoat. So, do you wear sweater? No. You wear muffler? No. You wear raincoat? Yes. So, you have to match raincoat. And do you carry an umbrella in the monsoon? Yes. So, you have to match. Now, this is winter season. Winter season is cold season. Then you wear sweater? Yes, you wear sweater. Then you have to match monsoon with sweater. You carry a muffler around your neck? Yes, so you have to match muffler. Okay children, so in summer season you wear goggles and soft cotton clothes. In monsoon season you carry an umbrella and wear a raincoat. And in winter season you wear warm clothes, woolen clothes, sweater and muffler. Now worksheet number 14, page number 18. The topic is season and monsoons. Circle what you see on a rainy day. Monsoon मतलब बारिश का मौसम. तो in rainy season what you see, that you have to circle. Do you see a snowman on rainy season? No. You see a frog? Yes. Then you have to circle a frog. You carry umbrella in rainy season? Yes, we carry umbrella to protect ourselves. So you have to circle an umbrella. Do you see mushrooms in rainy season? Yes, we see mushrooms. So you have to circle mushroom. Do you fly kites in the rainy season? No, we don't fly kites. So you have not to circle. You wear raincoat? Yes. In monsoon, rainy season, we wear raincoat. We do see snails in the monsoon. So you have to circle monsoon. We see rainbow in the sky in rainy season. So you have to circle rainbow. We don't wear goggles in rainy season. So you have not to circle. So children, what all things you see in the rainy season, you have to circle it. We see frog, umbrella, mushroom, raincoat, snail, rainbow. Now page number 19, worksheet number 15. Topic season winter. Help Raj to get ready for a cold winter evening. Circle the things that Raj would use. Now this is a winter season. So in winter season, what all things you use? Now Raj wants to get ready for a winter evening. Now what all things Raj will wear for winter season? Will he take an umbrella in winter? No, because it is not raining. So he will not take an umbrella. So you have not to circle. Yes, Raj will wear long pant because it is cold. So you have to circle pant. Then he'll wear a sweater to keep himself warm. So you have to circle sweater. He will not carry a basket. Yes, he will wear a cap on his head. So you have to circle cap. To keep his hand warm, Raj will wear a pair of gloves. So you have to circle gloves. We don't wear short pants in cold season because we'll feel cold. So we have not to circle short pants. So all what things Raj will wear is he will wear a long pant. So you have to circle sweater, cap and gloves. Now children, page number 20, worksheet number 16. Topic is season and summer. Tina wants to go to the beach on a hot summer day. Color the things she would use. Now your children, Tina wants to go for a picnic on a beach. So what all things she will carry? It is hot. Summer season means hot season. So she will wear a pair of chappals. So you have to color chappals. She will wear a short dress, t-shirt and pant. So you have to color t-shirt and pant. She will not wear sweater because it is hot. So you have not to color. Yes, we carry ball to play on the beach. So you have to color ball. Water, yes, in the hot summer season, you need lot of water to drink. So you have to color water bottle. Cap, no, she will not wear a cap. And dress, because she is going on the beach, so she will not wear a dress. So you have not to circle. So what you have to, you have not to color it. Now what all things Tina will wear? She will wear pair of chappals. So you have to color chappal. T-shirt and pant you have to color. She will carry a ball. So you have to color a ball and water bottle. Now children, page number 21, worksheet number 17. Season and food. Okay, here there are 6 pairs of bowls. Now 6 pairs of soup bowls are mixed up. There are 6 pairs of bowl and all is mixed up and down. Now you have to match them. Match the soup bowl having the same pattern by drawing a line to join them. Now there are 6 pairs of bowl and there are 6 different types of bowl with different pattern. Now you have to join the bowls to match it. Now this bowl is having lines. This bowling is having waves, dots. So this bowl is having lines. So you have to match this bowl with this bowl. Now this bowl is having waving lines over here. So where you can see a bowl with waves, this, no, yes, over here. So you have to match this bowl over here. This bowl is having dots over here. This bowl is having one diagonal diagram. So no, this bowl is having dots. So you have to match dots. Okay. Now this bowl will match with him? No. With it? Yes. So you have to match over here. This bowl is having this pattern. So you have to match here. So now children, you have to match all the bowls according to their pattern. You have to match this bowl with this wavy bowl over here, dot bowl, this bowl over here and this bowl over here. Now page number 22, worksheet number 18. Topic season food. Now tick. Now here there are some fruits and juices given to you children. Now you have to match or tick it. Not match, sorry, you have to tick. So tick the food items you would like to eat, drink on a hot summer day. गर्मी के दिन हमें क्या अच्छा लगता है खाना ये पीने के लिए, उसे हमें टिक करना है. What all things you would like to eat and drink on a hot summer day? That you have to tick. You like to eat an ice cream? Yes, it's cold. So on a hot summer day, you will eat an ice cream. So you have to tick. Watermelon, full of water. So on a hot summer day, watermelon you will eat. So you have to tick. Do you like to drink hot tea? No. So you have to put a cross. You like to drink soup on a hot summer day? No. So you have to put a cross. Yes. Juice. You like to drink cold juice. So you have to put a tick. Ice cream. We all love ice cream. So you have to put a tick. Again your juice is there. You like to drink juice on a hot summer day? Yes. So you have to put a tick. So what all things you eat and drink on a hot summer day, children, you have to mark a tick over there. So now on a hot summer day you like to eat ice creams, watermelon, juice, candy ice cream, and again juice over here. Okay children? Now parents, please watch the video and show your children the videos repeatedly and guide them to do these worksheets. Thank you.